The next part of inking is filling in all of the black regions on your page. Now some people are fine doing this with a felt marker, and that's my preference, but you can also use like a more general run-of-the-mill black marker, especially if you want to conserve the ink in your fine felt tip pen. But I like going through, so if you have anybody who has black hair, you have black metal, black sky, now is the time to kind of go back through and fill that in. Do this all by hand, making sure to fill in everything, that there's no little white specks lying around. So again, everything should be filled in black. So if you want this chair to be black, now is the time. Now is the time to make it inky dark. I don't tend to do a ton of additional shading and shadowing on my comic strips. I like keeping it a little more simple and straightforward. But those are other things that you can do. For example, you can take this leg, make it a little bit more metallic by having half of it being black while the other half's still in white. I recommend just not getting too bogged down though with coming up with complicated shadowing and inking techniques. Just keeping it pure and keeping it real will make for a much stronger comic strip.